tired. Let's go figure out something else to do. Hey, Scooter, would you like to make Play-Doh with me?
Not now, Sparkle. I'm kind of busy.
Okay. Hey, Joy, would you like to make Play-Doh with me?
Maybe later, Sparkle. I'm about to watch my favorite cooking show.
Aww.
Oh, that hurt.
Oh no!
Bird, would you like to make Play-Doh with me?
Sure, Sparkle.
Okay, we need bowls.
Wow!
Now we need food coloring.
Now we need some flour.
Yeah!
The first thing we need is 2 cups of flour.
A cup of flour going into the bowl.
Hey, Sparkle, making Play-Doh reminded me of the time when Scooter made Play-Doh and dropped it on his head. Woohoo! Huh? What happened to my Play-Doh?
Oh no!
That sounds really funny.
Hey, Sparkle, what color Play-Doh do you want?
Pink and yellow and blue.
I want red, blue, yellow, green.
Cool.
Let's move on to the next step.
We need 3-4 cups of salt.
Here goes the stock going into the bowl. Now it's time for 4 teaspoons of cream of tartar.
1 teaspoon of cream of tartar going right in. 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar.
Okay, now it's time for 1 cup of warm water. Let's mix.
Time for coconut oil. Bird, making Play-Doh reminds me of the time where Joy's making Play-Doh and she tripped over it.
Whoa.
Okay, it's time to add color to it. I'll put my food coloring in first.
My turn.
Time to mix these in.
Wow, look at all these colors.
How about we make it pizza?
Yeah. Let's add some pizza sauce.
Now for some cheese.
Time for some pepperoni.
Now it's time for some peppers.
Now, last but not least, it's time for some olives.
What should this green be?
We can play with this extra.
Okay, our pizza is complete.
Wow!
Put it in a pizza box.
Let's go give it to Scooter.
Here you go, Scooter.
Thank you. Oh, wow, a delicious pizza.
Yeah!
I hope you like it. For more awesome videos, hit subscribe.